Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So I am just doing a really impromptu video right now because I am making me and my husband a Cobb salad for tonight. So we're in Southern California at the beach and we are expecting the remnants of a hurricane to hit any minute now that has not happened in over 25 years. We were trying to think the last time that it was so hot and humid here at the beach. It feels like an oven when you go out. So I know I've been to the Midwest when it is 100 degrees and 100% humidity. It kind of feels like that right now. So it is 98 degrees and it is 67% humidity. I know that's nothing for you guys in Florida and the Midwest and everything, but for here in California, that is insane. So we're trying to think of all different kinds of things that we can actually eat that are cool, and my husband suggested a Cobb salad. So I am putting together a Cobb salad, and I did not want to cook any chicken, so I just opened another can. I thought I had one open, and I know I have one open somewhere, but I can't find it. I'm sure I will find it after this, but there's only a little bit in it anyway. I just opened a can of the chicken slices, you guys. I want to show you the size of these chicken slices. So I'm going to get some out of here. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, these are slices. These are huge. I haven't opened the new beef slices yet, but I am hoping that they are the same thing. So yes, there are some that are smaller in here, but not much. And I'm going to immediately put the rest of this into a mason jar with an oxygen absorber, because I bought those, but I just wanted to show you. I mean, this is the size of my finger, and look at the size of these chunks. Amazing, right? Amazing. And these are so good. So I'm heating water with my kettle. My counter is an absolute mess right now, but I heated water. It's already done. And I'm going to put some better than bouillon flavoring in this. And I got my husband's mug out. So I am just doing this, like I said, impromptu, on the fly. I'm going to make some Cobb salad. I have cut up some red cabbage, some cucumber, it is so hot, some red pepper. I've got some mushrooms somewhere around here. I've got a carrot I'm going to shred. I have some bacon I'm going to make. I have an avocado. I have some jicama, some Brussels sprouts that are humongous that I'm going to fry up, or really, really quickly just saute and then cool down in the refrigerator. And I'm hard boiling eggs. So I will take you guys back when I'm putting all of this together and show you what it looks like. Mainly, I wanted to show you the size and the quality of the chicken slices. Freeze-dried, good for... These are good for 25 years. The only thing in these, chicken, white meat, and salt. There is a little bit of salt. Sodium per serving is 15%, not a whole lot, and the serving size is ½ cup. It says there is 7 servings per container. This is a pantry size can. Let me tell you guys, I buy all the pantry size cans of the meat because most of it we put aside and we store. Yes, we use some just like we're using now. Boy, this comes in handy for hot days when you just don't want to be over a stove. I have a portable air conditioner going right now. I'll show you. In my kitchen. That is my portable air conditioner, saving my life. I have another similar one in the bedroom. And then this fan, which I have not turned on. Why have I not turned that on? No wonder it's so hot in here. But we have the hallway. We can close off my kitchen. There's a door right there. There is a door right here. And then there is a door over there. So it's all closed off. I can close this off, but my cat won't be very appreciative. Around the corner is our bedroom down the hallway. We have another air conditioner down there and another fan. It is that hot, you guys. It is really, really hot. So yeah, my kitchen is a total mess of food right now and canning stuff. But I wanted to show you, my kitchen does not normally look like that. I have a huge counter and a huge kitchen, but it's just been too hot to just put everything away. My canning pot is in the sink. Here is my sauce. So, you know, real life, guys. This is just how it is. So, yes, I clean my kitchen, but wow, not when it's so hot. And my hip is just really, really hurting. And my wrists are really, really hurting. So, I'm going to show you how I do this because I want it to be really good. So, my husband wanted canned chicken. And I thought, nope. And he's out right now at physical therapy. So I decided to do this with some Better Than Bouillon, and I'll show you how I do that. I just don't want to heat the stove because I already have to do that for the bacon and for the Brussels sprouts. I just don't want to do that for the chicken as well. So the reason I'm doing this is just kind of like a teaching moment, and for you guys to see, you know, real life, I really do use this stuff. So I am going to put, this is a teaspoon, like a iced teaspoon, really, really tiny. I'm going to put this in the cup because that's all we need, just like that. I'm going to put that in there, and that is really hot. I have it in such a precarious situation here. Okay, so I'm going to put some water in here, a little bit to start, and then I'm going to put the chicken in. You guys can tell I am totally not prepared to do a video, but I'm going to put all of that in there, and that should be well over enough for me and my husband. So, plus I have some tofu for me if I want, and I'm just going to put a little bit, probably a half a cup of water in there, stir it up, and that's boiling water, and then I'm going to cover it with a plate. As soon as I mix up, I'm going to mix up all that Better Than Bouillon, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys can see it all in there. I might have put a little bit too much water, but the beauty of that is it really doesn't matter because I can take it out. I can just pour it out. So literally what I'm doing is just covering it with this. I'm going to wait 10 minutes, and then I am going to refrigerate that. So Better Than Bouillon. And, you know, during the winter, this is the start of soup, you guys. Super, super easy. Thrive comes in handy. It is not just for food storage. It's not just for long-term use. It is for everyday use on days like this. If we had no electricity, we are expecting to lose electricity tonight. If we had no electricity, we would put this on the outside propane burner and just heat up some hot water, and we can still make the exact same thing. Might not be as cold because of the refrigerator, but we can make the exact same food that we're making right now. Okay, and one thing I wanted to tell you guys about the chicken as well as the beef, all of the meat. It tastes just like fresh meat, you guys. So you really can't tell, and that's why I did this while my husband's gone, even though I know he's going to watch this video later. And of course I'm going to tell him what it is, but I have chicken in the freezer. I really didn't want to do canned chicken. I just wanted some good sliced chicken. This is pre-cooked, it's pre-sliced, super easy. All I have to do is heat it with hot water. Super, super easy. My website, if you guys have not gone, is listed in the description box. I am giving away a free can of Thrive Life food, and I will give you your choice of 3 different things this month if you guys want to be a consultant. And if you are going to be a new customer, you're also getting a free gift, so it's worth your while. I will tell you, this food has saved us. It's a game changer, you guys, just a game changer. We love it, love the flavor, and again, I would not promote it if it wasn't quality, good food. Okay, let me get started with the bacon and the Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I decided to get a can of asparagus out. I am going to be grilling these in the air fryer and putting these on the salad as well. Okay, so we have our asparagus, our sprouts, our jicama, our onions, our mushrooms, our beets, carrots, avocado, cucumber, Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, red cabbage, and the chicken, and garden fresh tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese, and here is the finished salad. Thanks for watching, you guys. So tonight's word of the day is Cobb salad. Make sure that you are subscribed, like the video, and comment the word of the day in the description box. And I will see you soon.